The cat is eating a bird. The cat is eating a bird. Look at this. The cat is eating a bird. Look at this. Let me see how many minutes it will take him to finish that bird. Just started. Let's see how long it will take him to eat that bird. Oh my God, look at him. He's eating the bird. He's eating the bird. The cat is eating the bird. Still eating the bird. Still eating the bird. Still eating the bird. He's eating the bird. He's eating the bird. Cat is eating the bird. Everything, the feathers and everything. Wow, look at him. He's eating the bird. It's almost there. It's almost finished. Cat is eating a bird. Cat is eating the bird. Eats everything. Wow. Look at this. He's looking for the best spot of the bird. He's still eating the bird. Still eating the bird. The cat is eating the bird. The cat is eating the bird. Cat is eating the bird. Look at that. Kill the bird. And he's eating it. Cat eating the bird. He's almost there. Cat eating the bird. Cat eating the bird. He's turning his head down. Oh my God, he's almost finished. Look at him. Look at this. Look at the legs of the little bird. Look at the leg. He's eating it. Wow. The feathers, everything. Wow. Oh. Get excited now. Oh. He's excited. Oh my God, he's eating it. He hears more bird. You have to finish this one first. Wow, look at him. Finish. Oh, he's looking for the best part of the bird. Suki the cat is eating the bird. It's almost done. Now this is the head. He's getting the head now. The head of the bird. He's getting the bird. He's getting the head of the bird. He loves birds. He loves birds. Oh my God, he's almost done. He's almost done. Wow. Look at the head. You see, he's getting the head. Wow. The head of the bird. The head of the bird. The head of the bird. Oh my God, he's almost done. Look at that. He's almost done. Usually he eats bird in like 2 minutes. Today it takes a long time because that bird was a big bird anyway. It's done. Everything is done. It's done. No more. He eats the bird. Everything. The feathers, everything. Look at him now. You see? He's looking. Look at him. Wow. Kitty, you done? Wow. He's so happy. Is he yummy? Yummy. Wow. Look at this. He's yummy. He's happy. Wow. Wow, you're done with the bird. Everything is finished. You done? Socky. Socky, you done with your bird? Socky, you done? No more. That's it. Wow, you done? You done? Socky, you done? Now you're cleaning yourself? Wow, after a big meal. Wow. Yes, he's back. He's going back to get more birds. Okay, bye, Socky. Bye, bye, kitty. Bye, kitty. Bye, kitty, looking for more birds. Bye, kitty. Bye. Bye.